Fortinet NSE 6-FortiMail 6.4 NSE 6-FML 6.4 Real exam questions are good material for you to prepare for the test well. 1. Which FortiMail option removes embedded code components in Microsoft Word, while maintaining the original file format? A. Behavior analysis. B. Impersonation analysis. C. Content disarm and reconstruction. D. Header analysis. 2. A FortiMail administrator is concerned about cyber criminals attempting to get sensitive information from employees using whaling phishing attacks. What option can the administrator configure to prevent these types of attacks? A. Impersonation analysis. B. Bounce tag verification. C. Content disarm and reconstruction. D. Dictionary profile with predefined smart identifiers. 3. Which firmware upgrade method for an active passive HA cluster ensures service outage is minimal, and there are no unnecessary failovers? A. Break the cluster, upgrade the units independently, and then form the cluster. B. Upgrade both units at the same time. C. Upgrade the standby unit, and then upgrade the active unit. D. Upgrade the active unit, which will upgrade the standby unit automatically. 4. A FortiMail is configured with the protected domain example.com. On this FortiMail, which two envelope addresses are considered incoming? Choose 2. A. Mail from accounts at example.com RCPT to sales at external.org. B. Mail from support at example.com RCPT to marketing at example.com. C. Mail from training at external.org RCPT to students at external.org. D. Mail from ms at hosted.net RCPT to knock at example.com. 5. What 3 configuration steps are required to enable DKIM signing for outbound messages on FortiMail? Choose 3. A. Generate a public-private key pair in the protected domain configuration. B. Enable DKIM check in a matching session profile. C. Enable DKIM check in a matching anti-spam profile. D. Publish the public key as a TXT record in a public DNS server. E. Enable DKIM signing for outgoing messages in a matching session profile. 6. Which 2 CLI commands, if executed, will erase all data on the log disk partition? Choose 2. A. Execute formatmaildisk. B. Execute formatmaildisk _backup. C. Execute formatlogdisk. D. Execute partitionlogdisk 40. 7. Which 2 anti-spam techniques query FortiGuard for rating information? Choose 2. A. DNSBL. B. SURBL. C. IP Reputation. D. URI filter. 8. If you are using the built-in MTA to process email in transparent mode, which 2 statements about FortiMail behavior are true? Choose 2. A. MUAs need to be configured to connect to the built-in MTA to send email. B. If you disable the built-in MTA, FortiMail will use its transparent proxies to deliver email. C. FortiMail can queue undeliverable messages and generate DSNs. D. FortiMail ignores the destination set by the sender, and uses its own MX record lookup to deliver email. 9. While reviewing logs, an administrator discovers that an incoming email was processed using policy IDs 0, 4 to 9. Which two scenarios will generate this policy ID? Choose 2. A. Email was processed using IP policy ID 4. B. Incoming recipient policy ID 9 has the exclusive flag set. C. FortiMail applies the default behavior for relaying inbound email. D. FortiMail configuration is missing an access delivery rule. 10. A FortiMail administrator is investigating a sudden increase in DSNs being delivered to the protected domain for undeliverable email messages. After searching the logs, the administrator identifies that the DSNs were not generated as a result of any outbound email sent from the protected domain. Which FortiMail anti-spam technique can the administrator use to prevent this scenario? A. Spam outbreak protection. B. Bounce address tag validation. C. Spoofed header detection. D. FortiGuard IP Reputation.